And here's your reading for today. There is a feeling of coming out of a difficult time or nearing the end of a difficult time. There's a feeling of completion and success around it. There's also a feeling of having really done the work on yourself and putting time and effort in. And that is coming to fruition for you. And it's really showing up with a more balanced feeling. And again, this feeling of coming out of a darker phase, a more cloudy phase. And not only that, but the people around you are also noticing and even maybe asking you how you did it and what steps you took, or if there's a book you read or a course that you took, because your work that you've done on yourself, other people are seeing it. So give yourself a pat on the back